Hey, what's up, you guys? I haven't been able to make a video in quite a while. I think it's been about 2 weeks, but now I'm gonna get back on the schedule again because things have calmed down and I'll be having more time. So anyway, I just want to make this video a little update on what I'm doing and how I'm making money currently, in addition to the reskinning apps, which you already know. Um, so let's get into it. So, of course, I've been doing reskinning apps still. Um, that has actually decreased a bit lately. At the beginning of 2018, I was really reskinning a lot of apps, putting out at least like five every month, usually more. Um, and at that time, I was making about $3,000 per month just from that. So I can show a little PayPal. But recently, I've been getting into doing freelancing more, which is actually making me more than the reskinning. So, um, one sec. So, basically, I want to tell you guys that you really want to start with reskinning apps so you can practice your coding, practice your selling your apps, and get kind of a customer base going. But then at one point, you really want to switch to freelancing, which will be easy once you reskin enough apps. Because once you start reskinning, you'll get customers and they'll start wanting some work from you once they see that your apps are high quality. They'll ask for updates, or they might even ask for custom apps. And if you provide for them well, they'll continue asking you for jobs so you can make consistent monthly revenue. So, really, once you get to a certain point, you can just do freelancing by itself, or you can continue doing some reskinning on the side, which will also get you some new clients, which is currently what I'm doing. So as you can see, it's been about 3,000 per month. At the beginning, it was really all reskinning apps, and recently it's become more about freelancing. Um, I'm going to release another video shortly that's more about how I got into freelancing and what you do, how much you can get paid from it, and if it's worth it. And I'll tell you now, it really is worth it because you can make significantly more money than from reskinning apps, especially with Apple's new, not really new, but they seem to be cracking down more on reskins. So it's a little riskier, I guess, to post reskins. But anyway, freelancing is a good thing to get into. So, so far this year, I've made 21,000 from PayPal. There's also been more through like Venmo, like transfers and that type of stuff. So it's been around $30,000 from apps this year. So hopefully you guys can apply all the reskinning knowledge that I've given you through this channel and through my course in order to get to the same point. It's not like an insane amount, but it's definitely a good supplement. Additionally, I wanted to give you guys an update and say that I'm going to start trying to get into Amazon, selling stuff on Amazon. I actually bought a course on it and I finished the course. It was like $400 or something. And I'm going to start selling my first product hopefully soon. And I want to show you guys how that goes, see if it works out, and document the process. And if it does work out, I'll tell you guys how I did it and whether the course taught a good amount of stuff, which I do recommend the course. It was very good. I can maybe provide a link in the description for the course that I got. But anyways, I would definitely recommend looking into that too. But you do need some money to start it, probably at least $1,000. That's why I recommend if you don't have any money, you start with reskinning apps, which only requires like $100, and then you continue reskinning apps and work your way up to the 1,000 and start doing other stuff that can make you more money, including freelancing or selling on Amazon. Already, there's been quite a few students that have begun making money reskinning apps. There's been definitely at least five that I've seen. Some of them doing Amazon, some of them doing iOS, some of them are even selling Android apps. I've actually run into quite a few of my students on Flippa selling apps, and I'm glad to see their success. Some of them already have like $2,000 in sales on Flippa, which is great. So it really is possible. People have already done it, and continue working, and you'll make the money. And once you get to a certain point, you can start trying other stuff out, like Amazon, which has the potential to make more money uh, later down in the road. So, really, I would uh, continue working on the reskinning apps. I can show you some of my recent ones. Like I said in my previous video about the new iOS strategy, it is not doing as good as the original strategy, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you really need to, because stuff has been selling for more around $100 or less. Actually, this isn't even using these three were using the new strategy, so it's probably averaging around $100, 80 to 100. But definitely don't do that unless you need to. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will continue making videos more frequently now. And my next one will probably be about freelancing. So I'll see you next time.